Hello, guys. Welcome back again. Another episode of the upgrade of Fat Bob. So tonight, what we're gonna be doing is we will change the exhaust system. This is the stock exhaust system in the Fat Bob. It is gonna be changing to this exhaust system. This is Cobra El-Diablo 2-in-1 exhaust system. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this one. And then of course I put that one back on. I want to show you how I do it. What you need is simple, the whole exhaust system. Tools obviously over here, the tools are there. So, and then you need gasket. Cobra says that it is okay to use the stock gasket, but I'm gonna use new one because I don't think if you remove the gasket of the engine head that it will again be okay to use the same gasket. So I'm gonna use the new gasket. Another thing is that very important, you need to use a glove so that you don't leave unnecessary fingerprints on the thing, basically. So I'm gonna show you guys how we do it from point by point. All right, so before we start with the exhaust, first thing we need to do is remove the stock exhaust system. To start it off, just remove that one. First part, then the next part. So what happened here is that we got stuck. Why? Because of this guy. Word of advice to everyone who doesn't know, metric doesn't work with Harley-Davidson. This is the only thing works. So this is standard inch. That is 3.5 inch actually. 3.5 inch, 3 by 16, 3 inch probably, yeah, is what's gonna work for these guys. All right, we managed to pull out the muffler. Now what we're gonna be doing is removing the oils, fuel sensors. So there is one over here, which is coming directly from the exhaust, one here. And another one goes behind here. So we will have to remove them first. Over here. So we'll remove them first, and then we're gonna start removing the headers. Once we do that, we will have to salvage the certain parts of the exhaust, which is the head mount and the screws basically, and oxygen fuel sensors. All right, successfully managed to remove the exhaust. Next is trying to put the other exhaust system, but before we do that, we have to remove this mount and then remove this one as well, because this is not going to be needed for the next exhaust. All right, after several hours of working on this one, I thought it would be very easy, but it is not easy to install this exhaust. So next step is to put the heat shields on. So we're gonna put the heat shield on tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna leave the bike as it is tonight because it's a little bit late now. So we're gonna do the rest tomorrow. Put the heat shield on and give it a nice clean to the exhaust, and start it up and listen to the sound tomorrow. All right, done installing the Cobra 2-in-1 El-Diablo. So moment of truth shortly. I'll come back to you guys showing how it sounds like in a minute. Oh boy, this is not an easy job to do. All right, here we go. Sound of Cobra El-Diablo.